If you're into lifting weights and you're looking to build up muscle mass quickly, then you've probably come across the term slow reps. You may also have heard that fast reps are the best way to get stronger. But before we go on, let's clear something up. Both slow and fast reps are equally good at building muscle, but with a slight difference. Slow reps are better for building strong joints. Fast reps increase strength more quickly by preventing your muscles from becoming too fatigued by doing more volume, total number of repetitions. That's why weightlifters typically do about 8-12 repetitions for each set for resistance training purposes. Contrary to popular belief, explosive powerlifters and Olympic weightlifters use slow reps. There is a reason why they are so good at what they do, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what that reason is. Slow reps or explosive speed. I put this question to the forums and got more than 240 responses within a week. This is because the two are so similar that there's no doubt in anyone's mind what the speed of reps should be. But not everyone knows how to get it done with power lifts or Olympic lifts. It's possible to get too fast with these lifts and it will pass your blood lactate threshold before you even realize it. If this happens, you won't be able to continue and you'll simply fail. Uncovering the truth behind powerlifting and weightlifting workouts. To find the truth about explosive speed versus slow reps, I analyzed countless video clips from powerlifters and Olympic lifters. I wanted to see how much time they took to do a squat, bench press, or deadlift. For speed adaptations, I looked at the time it took for these exercises in seconds. For strength adaptations, I looked at the amount of weight lifted in kilograms that was done within a specific time limit. I was able to find the difference between these two. From these data, I was able to see that there is a very high correlation between explosive speed and strength. For example, I compared a powerlifter that can do 242 kilograms in 154 seconds with someone who can do 222 kilograms in 203 seconds. There is only a small difference of 3 kilograms, or 1 stone. But if we add all the lifts together, you get an increase of more than 150 kilos, 330 pounds, over the course of 1 second's time. When comparing two lifters that are performing their lifts at different speeds, there is often a big difference in how long it takes for them. This is because of how explosive they are. For example, a powerlifter who can do 242 kilograms in 154 seconds can also do 210 kilograms in 0.87 seconds, a 19% difference. While the lifter with a better time of 2:03 seconds only has an increase of 18% for that same weight, 204.5 kilograms, 97%. For ways to improve your technique with slow reps. Now that we've established the facts, we should talk about how you can go about improving your technique with slow reps. Here are 4 ways that you can follow to get there. 1. Increase the time under tension with slow reps. The time under tension is an important factor that determines muscle growth. The longer the time, the more muscle you will grow. If you're lifting explosively and lifting fast, you'll have to lift lighter weight in order to be able to lift it for a longer period of time than someone else who lifts it slowly with slow reps. Rest times are also something to consider before picking up the bar again after a set. You should rest for about 3 times as long if you do fast reps compared to if you were doing slow reps. This is because of how much work your muscles need after explosive speed and strength workouts. The muscles are taxed, and this will allow for the greatest muscle growth for you to see over the course of your training. This is a simple way to ensure that you get the type of workout that results in muscle growth. If you want muscle growth, it's a great idea to use slow reps because they will give you more time under tension compared to an explosive speed rep. If you want explosive speed, you should lift light weights with perfect form. This ensures that you're lifting as fast as possible when using slow reps. You'll also have short rest times because of how fast you're lifting. 2. Use a lifting program that has you doing both speeds. For this program, You can use both explosive speed repetitions as well as slow reps with light weights. The reason that this is possible is because when you're using explosive speed with the correct tempo, it's easier to keep your technique together when going slowly. After all, you're lifting with perfect form, and it's not that hard to keep a slow tempo. The other option is to use only slow reps for your explosive speed workouts. This way, you get the best of both worlds when it comes to building strength and explosive speed at the same time. The reason why slow reps are so important for explosive speed is because they will help you build better technique with light weights. 3. Make sure your rest times are shorter. As I mentioned before, when comparing data between explosive powerlifters and Olympic weightlifters, the amount of rest times often varies widely. This is because of how explosive the powerlifter is compared to the Olympic weightlifter. 4. Focus on technique with slow reps. If you don't have perfect technique, then you won't be able to lift as much weight as someone who does. For example, there's a big difference in lifting a heavier load with good technique than lifting a lighter load with bad technique if you want to get stronger and faster. This explains why weightlifters take longer time and rest more between reps. Using slow reps can improve your technique by helping you build proper form before using a heavier weight that is harder to control. This will allow you to lift heavier weights with better form and increase your strength in the long run. The key to explosive speed is getting the technique perfect before using a heavier weight. If you're having problems with your form and you're slow with fast reps, try using lighter weights and focusing on making sure that your technique is perfect. This will allow you to do that same exercise again and lift more weight without having to worry about bad technique. Once you've got it right, then you can work on increasing the weight again. Adding in explosive speed training to your strength program. How to create a program based on this info for yourself. There's nothing wrong with taking a book that you usually use and adding in some extra exercises based on the information that I've provided in this video. This is how to do it. You can start by choosing 2 exercises per muscle group. If you're a powerlifter, then look at the explosive speed work. Or if you're an Olympic weightlifter, choose the slow speed work. The important thing to consider when you're creating a program is how you want to progress. If your goal is to improve explosiveness, then do heavy weights in slow reps. You'll get more of a rep range, and it will be easier to build up muscle. If your goal is strength for building mass, then do light weights in fast reps. You'll get more of an overload and will help increase the muscle cross-sectional area, CSA. All right. We hope you loved all those tips and are going to bulk quickly. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.